Let's imagine that we have a folder that I'd like to share with my students. So because I am looking at this through my Google Drive, thanks to the Google Drive file stream app that's running, um, I can just right click on this and go right to the share with Google Drive here. Once I bring that up, I can then control the permissions for this. But I can also just click get a shareable link. And so now anyone with the link can view. Let's copy that. And now I want to test my permissions. I want to make sure that that only the people that I want can make use of that link that I just created. So if I paste the link in my browser as it stands right now, it'll load that folder up right away because it knows who I am and I own this folder. And so that doesn't really help. So what I can do instead is go to this dot 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 in the corner and select New Incognito window. And now it loads a version of Chrome that doesn't have any of my accounts currently signed in. It is what a stranger would see if they attempted to use this link. And if I do that, it does load. You can see it loads differently. But this is a problem. I wanted it set so just students at Gilmore could use this link. This has some confidential material in it, and I don't want that public. So let's go back and let's go back to the share with Google Drive, and I can go to the advanced tab here, and now I can change this. Anyone who has the link can view. I'll alter that to anyone at Gilmore Academy. That's not an option actually because this folder was shared by Carter, who used his personal account, and so because it's not a Gilmore account, I can't select it to Gilmore only. But so that's something I've got to talk to him about. This is him starting his own company, so he's keeping it on his personal account, which makes sense, frankly. So there is a rare exception to this rule. But anyway, all I needed to do was right click and bring up those share options, and I can see who has access to this file. All of this could have been done from the website as well. I was demonstrating using my file browser Finder, but from Chrome I could have brought up the share options here and done the exact same thing. So this is the very same view, but brought up through Chrome. And if you don't have Google FileStream installed, you'd have to use Chrome to do this. But there are some disadvantages there because you can't quite double click on as many files. You can't use all of the apps that you have installed because everything has to run through the file browser when you're using it from this perspective. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.